Good morning students. So today we are going to see cyanides and isocyanates in this video. So cyanides and isocyanates are the derivatives of hydrocyanic acid, that is HCN, and it's known to exist in two tautomeric forms. This is the form of hydrogen cyanide. So the two types of alkyl derivatives can be obtained. Those derived from replacement of hydrogen atom of hydrogen cyanide by the alkyl group appadina, that is called as alkyl cyanides or CN. Next, those obtained by replacement of hydrogen atom of hydrogen isocyanide are known as alkyl isocyanide or NC. So IUPAC name. So for example, acetonitrile. So the root word is used ethane. Instead of E we are writing nitrile. So ethane nitrile, propanonitrile, propane nitrile. Next butronitrile, butane nitrile. Next 2-methyl, that is isobutronitrile, 2-methyl propane nitrile. So these are all the examples for IUPAC nomenclature. So nitrile you have to use. So methods of preparation of cyanides from alkyl halides. So when alkyl halides are treated with solution of NaCN or KCN, alkyl cyanides are obtained. In this reaction, a new carbon-carbon bond is formed. So KCN plus ethyl bromide is giving propane nitrile. So aryl cyanide cannot be prepared in this method because of their less reactivity towards nucleophilic substitution. Aryl cyanides are prepared using Sandmeyer's reaction. So next method, by dehydration of primary amines and aldoximes with P2O5. So acetamide P2O5 is giving ethane nitrile and gives acetal oxime as a byproduct, that is intermediate. Then on reaction with P2O5 it is giving CH3CN. Next, by dehydration of ammonium carboxylate. So ammonium acetate எடுத்துக்கிறோம், P2O5 போட்டோம் அப்படினா ethane nitrile வந்து நமக்கு கிடைக்குது. So this method is used for large scale preparation of alkyl cyanides. Next, from Grignard reagent. So methyl magnesium bromide on treatment with cyanogen chloride, that is ClCN, forms ethane nitrile. So this is the ethane nitrile. So properties, coming to properties, the lower members of are colorless liquids with strong characteristic sweet smell. The higher members வந்து crystalline solids இருக்கும். They are moderately soluble in water but freely soluble in organic solvents soluble இருக்கும். They are poisonous. So they have higher boiling points than analogous acetylenes due to high dipole moment அதிகமா இருக்கனால boiling point வந்து அதிகமா இருக்கும். So coming to this chemical properties, hydrolysis, first one hydrolysis. On boiling with alkali or dilute mineral acid, the cyanides are hydrolyzed to give carboxylic acids. So ethane nitrile எடுத்து hydrolyze பண்ணோம் அப்படினா we get acetamide. So complete hydrolysis பண்ணோம் அப்படினா acetic acid வந்து நமக்கு கிடைக்கும். So reduction. So on reduction with lithium aluminum hydride, alkyl cyanides yields primary amines. So ethane nitrile வந்து ethanamine வந்து நமக்கு கிடைக்கும். So condensation reaction, torp nitrile condensation, torp nitrile concentration, that is condensation. So self condensation of two molecules of alkyl nitride containing alpha hydrogen atom in the presence of sodium to form iminonitrile. So propane nitrile வந்து என்ன ஆகுது அப்படினா 3-imino 2-methyl pentane nitrile வந்து கிடைக்குது. So இங்க வந்து பாத்தீங்க அப்படினா the nitriles containing alpha hydrogen also undergoes condensation with esters in the presence of soda amide in ether to form ketonitriles. This reaction is known as Levine and Hausser acetylation. Levine and Hausser acetylation. So this reaction involves replacement of ethoxy group, that is OC2H5 by methyl nitride group, and it is also known as cyanomethylation reaction. This is also known as cyanomethylation reaction. So here ethyl propionate, so ethane nitrile கூட react ஆச்சு அப்படினா, so these are all the reagents to give 3-ketopentane nitrile. 3-ketopentane nitrile. Next carbylamines. So alkyl isocyanide வந்து carbylamines அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம். The structural formula, so இது வந்து common name methyl isocyanide, IUPAC name methyl carbylamine. So we have to use carbylamines. ஸோ அதே மாதிரி எத்தில் ஐசோசயனைட் எத்தில் கார்பைல் அமைன். ஐசோசயனைட் வந்து ஐயுபாக் நேம் வந்து பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா கார்பைல் அமைன்ஸ். ப்ரொப்பைல் ஐசோசயனைட் அப்படின்னா ப்ரொப்பைல் கார்பைல் அமைன். ஃபினைல் ஐசோசயனைட் அப்படின்னா ஃபினைல் கார்பைல் அமைன். ஸோ ப்ரிப்பரேஷன். So for example, both aromatic as well as aliphatic amines are treated with chloroform, that is CHCl3 in presence of KOH gives carbyl amines. That is CH3NH2 is giving methyl isocyanide. Aniline கொடுத்தோம் அப்படின்னா phenyl isocyanide வந்து நம்மளுக்கு கிடைக்கும் from alkyl halides. So ethyl bromide on heating with ethanoic solution of AgCN to give ethyl isocyanide as major product and ethyl cyanide as the minor product. From N-alkyl formamide by reaction with POCl3 in pyridine. So இங்கே வந்து பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா pyridine கூட ரியாக்ட் ஆச்சு அப்படின்னா நம்மளுக்கு வந்து என்ன ஆகும் ஃபார்ம் இதுதான் வந்து N-alkyl formamide. So it giving the amines. So that is carbyl amine. Next properties பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா they are colorless, highly unpleasant smell, volatile liquids and are much more poisonous than cyanide விட poison இருக்கும். They are only soluble in water but are soluble in organic solvents. That is slightly soluble in water. They are relatively less polar than alkyl cyanide. Thus their melting point and boiling point are lower than cyanide விட குறைவா இருக்குன்னு சொல்றோம். Chemical properties வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா hydrolysis. So alkyl isocyanide are not hydrolyzed by alkalis. So however they are hydrolyzed with dilute mineral acid to give primary amines and formic acid. So methyl isocyanide plus water போட்டு hydrolyze பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா we are getting methyl amine and formic acid. So when reduced catalytically or by nascent hydrogen, they give secondary amine. So methyl isocyanide on reduction gives dimethyl amine. Isomerization. So when alkyl isocyanide unheated about 250 degree, they change into more stable isomeric cyanides. Methyl isocyanide வந்து methyl cyanide மாறுது. Addition reaction. So alkyl isocyanates add on halogen, sulfur and oxygen. To form corresponding addition compounds வந்து form ஆகும். So uses of organic nitrogen compounds. So far we have discussed the various organic nitrogen compounds. So for example, nitroalkane is used as fuel for cars. Chloropicrin is used as an insecticide. Nitroethane is used as a fuel additive and precursor to explosive, and they are good solvents for polymers, cellulose ester, synthetic rubber and dyes, etc. So 4% solution of ethyl nitrate in alcohol is known as sweet spirit of nitrite, and it is used as a diuretic. Next, nitrobenzene. It is used to produce lubricating oils in motors and machinery. So it is also used in the manufacture of dyes, drugs, pesticides, synthetic rubber, aniline and explosives like TNT and TNP. So cyanides and isocyanates எடுத்துட்டோம் அப்படின்னா they are important intermediate in the organic synthesis of larger number of compounds like acids, amides, esters, amines, etc. So nitriles are used in textile industry in the manufacture of nitrile rubber, and it is also used as a solvent particularly in perfume industry. So these are all some of the important preparation properties and uses of various nitrogen compounds. So in the unit you are able to familiar with some of the naming reactions which is very useful to attend the multiple choice questions. Okay, thank you students.